Anatomical snuff box. Anatomical snuff box has four borders and radial artery as its one and only content. Laterally, it is surrounded by two tendons and medially it is surrounded by a single tendon, that is extensor pollicis longus. If we remember extensor pollicis longus, then we can answer both these tendons. So instead of longus, if you would write brevis, you get first tendon, and instead of extensor, if you write abductor, you get another tendon. So you have concluded medial border and lateral border. Now, if you talk about the floor, we need to see this diagram. So in this diagram, there is first metacarpal, trapezium, scaphoid, and stelloid process of radius. So these four bone and two tendons, those are extensor carpi radialis longus and extensor carpi radialis brevis. So longus and brevis. All right. So in those six things are the content of floor of anatomical snuff box. If you talk about the superficial layer, so there is a skin and fascia obviously, and superficial branch of radial nerve and cephalic vein. So this is content of mm, roof. All right, and I have already told you it has only one content, that is radial artery. So in summation, we can write medially there is extensor extensor pollicis longus, and laterally we can write extensor pollicis brevis and abductor pollicis longus. So instead of extensor, we have written abductor, and instead of longus, we have changed into brevis. So you get the content of lateral part as well. Now, if you talk about the floor, so we have first metacarpal, all right, then after trapezium, then after scaphoid, and then after stelloid process of radius. Then the two tendons are extensor carpi radialis longus and extensor carpus radialis brevis. Then after talking about the roof, we do have cephalic vein and superficial branch of radial nerve. All right, and skin and fascia is obvious. Then after talking about the content, so we do have one and only content, that is radial artery. So by this information we have concluded the anatomical snuff box. Thank you.